Hello kids, welcome back. Colors. Let's learn colors name. Orange color, blue color, green color, brown color, black color, light green color, yellow color, light blue color, violet color, pink color, red color and purple color. Kids, we dress A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's trace letter A. A for apple. Letter B. B for bee. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. Light green color. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jaguar. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. Sky blue color. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Brown color. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for unicorn. V. V for van. W. W for whale. X. X for xylophone. Blue color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.